What are English grammar articles? An article is a word that is used before a noun to show whether the noun refers to something specific or not. A, an, and the are articles. Before we do articles, we must know about vowels and consonants. बच्चों आज हम पढ़ेंगे आर्टिकल्स। आर्टिकल्स 3 टाइप्स के होते हैं, अ, एन एंड द। पर आर्टिकल पढ़ने से पहले हमें कॉन्सोनेंट्स एंड वॉवल्स का पता होना बहुत जरूरी है। लेट्स चेक देम। Before we start learning about consonants and vowels, we must learn how to pronounce A in articles. A is pronounced as A. A का उच्चारण अ की तरह होता है। जब किसी वाक्य में A अकेले आए तो उसका उच्चारण अ होता है, ना कि A. This is a pen. We should not say this is a pen. Children, majority of the time, in fact you can say 97% of the time, A is pronounced as A. If you listen to spoken English, you are going to hear all the time. For example, a car, a house, a pen, a book. So let's learn about our alphabet family now. Children, in our English alphabet family, we have 26 letters. Out of 26 letters, 5 letters are vowels. These are A, E, I, O, and U. So now we know there are 26 letters in alphabets, 5 are vowels, and remaining 21 letters are called consonants. बच्चों, हमारी इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट फैमिली में 26 लेटर्स होते हैं। उनमें से 5 वाउल्स हैं, वो हैं A, E, I, O, U, और बाकी जितने भी लेटर्स बच गए हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं consonants. Children, it is very important to remember that we use a and an only before a singular noun. We cannot use a and an before a plural noun. It means that article a and an can be used only for one person, thing, or place. We cannot use them before a plural noun. For example, a car. Car is singular, one only. An orange. Orange is also one only. We cannot use a and an before plural noun, that is cars or oranges, because they are many. बच्चों, a और an को हम एक ही व्यक्ति, वस्तु या स्थान के साथ यूज कर सकते हैं, अनेक के साथ नहीं। So let's see what is the difference between a and an. A goes before a word that begins with a consonant. Let's read these words. A bee, a girl, a pencil. Bee, girl, and pencil are naming words. And these words are starting with consonants. That is why we are using a before them. The article an goes before a word that starts with a vowel. Let's read these words. An elephant, an igloo, an umbrella. Children, did you notice elephant, igloo and umbrella are naming words, and all of them are starting with vowel E, I and U. So that is why here we have used article an before a naming word. Now there are some exceptions. The use of a or an depends on the beginning sound. So the word might start with a consonant or a vowel, but we really need to listen how the word is pronounced. For example, our. We see H, but we hear a vowel sound in beginning. Our and not hover. So what do we do in this case? We use the article an because we hear sound of a, not her, sound of consonant. बच्चों अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो अ और एन जहाँ कहीं भी लगते हैं वो डिपेंड करता है कि उन वर्ड्स का शुरू वाला साउंड आवाज कौन सी है। जैसे कि एक वर्ड है आवर, वी कॉल इट आवर, बट इट स्टार्ट्स विद लेटर एच, वी नो अबाउट इट। व्हेन वी से आवर, we are using a sound of a, not h, her. We are not saying hover, we are saying our. So that is why here we have to use an before it. If you are talking about a specific thing, you use word the. So the is a definite article and it is used to refer to a specific or particular person, place or thing. For example, the red hat. Here we are not talking about any hat but a specific hat that is red in color. The holy book. Here we are not talking about any book but a particular book. The Taj Mahal. Here we are not talking about any building but a specific building, Taj Mahal. बच्चों हम द आर्टिकल का प्रयोग ऐसे व्यक्ति, वस्तु या जगह के साथ करते हैं जो कि खास हो और उनके बारे में हमें पहले से ही जानकारी हो। Here the is used before a noun which refers to only one thing of its kind. The earth is round. The sun is shining. Earth and sun are only one thing of its kind. That is why we are using article the with it. Children, if you have listened to me very carefully, then you must have noticed I am saying the earth and the sun. Now, कहाँ पर द बोलना है, कहाँ पर दी बोलना है, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. And it is not very difficult. It is very easy. You just have to learn rules. For example, if the next word starts with a vowel sound, then we use the. Now you can see here the earth. Why I am saying the earth? Why I am not saying the earth? Because earth is starting with letter E, that is vowel. So when the next word starts with a vowel sound, we say the, not the. In the same way, if the next word starts with a consonant sound, we use the. For example, sun. Sun word is starting with letter S. S is consonant. So we will use it here, the sound of the, not the. Here we are not going to say the sun. We will say the sun. Children always remember the is used before names of rivers. For example, the Ganga. Names of mountains. For example, the Everest. Names of famous buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal. Names of holy books. For example, the Bible. Children, let's revise. An article is a small word with a very important job. Articles a, an, the are special kinds of adjectives. They give information about nouns. Articles make it clear whether you are talking about a specific thing or something in general. Children, I am sure that you will be able to identify the use of a, an, or the before a given word. Thank you and goodbye. Make sure that you learn articles and don't forget it.